we're playing some Block City Wars of the day. We got some Michael and Trevor and Franklin in the house. So today we are gonna show you what cars we got, what motorcycles we got. So here we go. We have a lot of bucks, so this is what we spend. Just gonna quiet down the volume there. Let's go on the ride. This is the hot car I got. I call it the spot. It's called the Buffalo, but I call it the Spotter. And I'm feeling like we should buy a car today. I mean a motorcycle. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Oh god, now we have less money. Great. Shouldn't have bought. I already have a motorcycle. I got two. I don't want to upgrade. I'm gonna spill my video piece of crap shit. Nah. Sorry about swearing. God, that would have been one of my first videos swearing. Oh, please don't put this top 10. That would really embarrass me. Oh, let's go battle. Some team battle today. And this is good today. We finally got the Elgato. I mean the screen recorder with the Elgato. Finally works. I just got it today and I made 2 videos today now. One is Minecraft, one's Pixelgun and Block City Wars. It's quite good for me doing this stuff. Oh, here we go. To battle. It's gonna be quite good today because we love Block City Wars. Okay, let's go put my motorcycle here. My motorcycle, so no one can get anymore. Pretty much I can get whatever I want. Okay, should we do a ramp? I don't care if it's team battle, I just like doing some ramps. Just better motorbike by itself if you guys will. So what today we're gonna find a tank. Because mostly they're in beaches. Wind that up. I haven't been a back of beach. I don't know how that happened. The feed, I just started the game just to say. No, I still got money. I bet yeah. So guys, please subscribe to me and my brother.
Please don't subscribe to him.
I say I'll subscribe to you then. I say I'll subscribe to you then. And subscribe to my brother. Please.
I subscribed to his channel, he subscribed to my channel.
Yeah. I wish you could invest in Block City Wars, but it doesn't work. Only Pixelgun works.
What did you say?
I said I wish you could invest in Block City Wars, but you can't.
I want to kill you.
And I want to kill you too. I almost killed myself just to show.
Hell? We'll talk about Pixel Gun Feed and somebody just posted a video of it. Big B Stacks.
I haven't heard the hell is that guy.
He's a YouTuber that plays Minecraft.
Seriously? Never heard of
New
him.
Halloween update.
Oh, I'm gonna kill some people. We're losing. That's what I so which gun do I need to use today? Yeah, I'm gonna use that gun.
I still have blocks.
I thought I had a cool gun. Yeah, I used to have a cool gun. Still have it. I don't need it. Alright, I'm gonna pick my kids to school and the bus. Hey kids, go to the bus. Thanks, Daddy.
Why can't
So I don't know what am I doing now. This is quite a really good game for me. One of my favorite games of Block City Wars doesn't make me good. Let me just wind myself up. Alright, let's go. Let's go make a hill jump. Woo! So today we're gonna find a tank. Well, we're really beating them. Beating them. Ah! Oh, lucky we didn't get hurt. Still have 175 hearts.
Oh, I saw the screen recorder and it said voice changer. And I did the devil.
Someone has a helicopter! No!
and somebody has a devil. I mean, I did a devil, and look how it sounds like. I'll do one.
Hey guys, we're gonna wait for a moment.
Hello guys, it's Gonna Gaming and welcome to another video. Yeah.
Doesn't sound like a devil. Sounds like Santa. It's more better than yours. So we're taking this motorcycle now. So Roy, I could just take a fun one. Get it? Fun one. Nice classic. Let's go to the temple. I need to go pray. I don't know why I put Chinese temples instead of our temples. Like, what? Is that the world's greatest Chinese man or what?
Yo, what the guy? Oh, back again with another Let's Play.
Pretty much, I don't know what to do then. Let's go bomb the whole place.
It's okay.
Yes, let's go bomb the whole place. Maybe this will bomb work. No ammo. I have 0 bombs. No, why the hell does it not work? Okay. Everybody get arrested! I will back and shake your bones! I know with my motorcycle, I forgot. Lucky, you have a victory! Victory! War for the Father Merchant! Dun dun, dun dun. Everybody likes Wahib Gaming videos. Guys, got the car with you? No? Okay, I'm gonna shoot you. Actually, I want to use my shotgun. It's one of the best guns I can aim. I love this. Oh, I have to shoot some people anyway. Someone's gonna shoot me. I got a gun and I know how to use it. Okay, I'm not gonna person. Alright, gonna pick my kids up from school. Helicopter! Wait, do I have a jetpack if I can get it? Oh, I need to get a jetpack. How do you get up there?
Yeah, you got a gun.
I'm getting in. Hey, you're not taking it, you're showing me where it is.
What the grenade launcher?
What am I doing here? I don't know what am I doing here. Yeah, I'm going in first. Sorry about the shit. Some soda cans. I wish I could go up with a helicopter. I want that one. Okay. I want to get to the helicopter so bad. The windows. Okay, Leon, let's just get the hell out of this hospital. How do you get out? Oh god, I'm gonna die here! Oh dang it, they got a flag. Great, no it did.
What map are you on?
Team battle.
I hate team battles.
I love team battle. Okay, I'm about to die. Where do you go? Oh, there it is. There's the entrance. Alright, let's play.
That's so good. I got it from the tribe.
The what?
I got this gun from my tribe.
I'm gonna check how to break the... Are you with me or something? I want that jetpack. I want it. Oh, he's gonna probably fly up. I want the helicopter. I want it. Oh, I'm gonna find a ladder. Oh, I wish I found a ladder. The last entrance. Oh, there's a ladder. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Get out. I'm in a helicopter. Whoa. motorbike! God! Okay, let's go climb up. Alright, let's go on a helicopter. Where did it go? What the heck? Where the hell did the helicopter go? What the? It was just right here. What the frick? You guys even saw it was right up here. Can't you guys see that? What the heck is going on? I saw a freaking helicopter up here. Did someone take it? I can spawn on a motorbike up here. Great. Rip it a hole and I got it. Defeated. 76 to 14. How suck we are. Hey, let's just take our money. It was so fun playing with you guys. 16 meters away, 12 meters, 7 meters away. Alright, so we have to find that. Oh my god. The helicopter, where is it now? Okay, so we're gonna go to the hospital. And we are gonna find that helicopter fit and spot. Did I just see a jetpack? Nah, I got took it. Frick that guy. Black people always take him. Where's the red map? I want him. There's the helicopter. Okay, let's go. Alright, this better work now. Fine, let's just go to it with my motorcycle. I'm going in it. I swear, if someone takes it this time. Someone take it? No, it's still up there. I forgot to someone took it. God, I forgot not. I'm gonna get it, guys. No, someone took it. I know what. I saw someone took it. It is all that guy fell who took it.
What can you do on iMovie?
What did you guys do? Ah.
So pretty much you can do texting, you can edit everything.
Yes.
I'm downloading it right now.
Yes.
So first you record on like
Don't kill people in my truck. We're out of the way! Haha.
No.
Let's go kill more people. This is fun. Capture C. Okay, let's go get the Capture C, and then I'll be a pro at this game. Everybody will thank me. Someone's trying to kill me right now. Let's Capture C. I just saw it. I just saw the helicopter in the sea. Oh great, now I can't find it. A is our C. Oh, we captured the sea. Okay, I'm gonna take this fire truck. If you guys don't mind, I'm gonna take a fire truck. There guys, I got my driver's license on my head. Oh yeah, let's go get him. Let's go get him. I am gonna get him. Okay, we're so close to it. Oh, they're not telling me we're gonna get stuck. Come on, I'm so close to it. I don't want anyone to get it. I'm taking it. Okay, let's go see. Did I get it? Whoa, I got it. I got the flag. I got the flag, guys. I got the flag. Mate, I got the flag. We got some butts. Oh, shoot. They took it back. Point B was attacked. I could still have time to kill people. If I have a last shot, if I can kill this guy. No, I still have 50. Okay guys, that will be the end of this video. I'll see you all later. Bye, my Girl Scouts.